Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau on what is, because of other annoyances today, a beautiful afternoon. So I really wanted to just get up and get on with bedroom renovation, mainly because of the light. It's not a particularly bright room in the afternoon. You've got to try and get stuff done in the morning when it's light. And amusingly and also annoyingly, last night at the music night in the bar, someone got themselves locked in one of the bathrooms. So I've had to run around all morning trying to find the relevant handle, lock mechanism, etc. that fits and fit one of those. And of course, also get the central heating working because apparently the pump decided to die. So it's too cold for a cold bar. So rather than get covered in dust and try in terrible, terrible light in that room to get somewhere and be disappointed in myself and not film anything either, I decided to do another job, which I should be able to do in the afternoon in the time I have available, because it's not just that renovation. I've got to get loads of outstanding broken stuff and projects done. I need to sort out some lighting. So at the front door, I've got some lights either side, which I really would like mirrored elsewhere, and I've got some on the gates out the front. So that is enough to see just out here. There are some out by the chapel and the front courtyard as well. At the side of the house, the kitchen, there is one over that bridge, but the back garden is literally pitch black, which is a complete shame. So back garden, back of the house. This garden, I mean, it's not used, but it would be nice to be able to see out, not for security reasons, but you know, all the work that goes into maintaining a place like this, it would be nice to be able to see it. Now, I do actually have lights in this bank that go back up to the house for the events, but if you can just see down there, there are actually spotlights facing the moat either side, which just give a bit of light down here, bouncing off the water. It's a nice feature, and does put a bit of light just into the back garden. And of course, a little bit safer if you're going to want to walk across the bridge for anything. And they're not working. So let's get a job off the list, if I can. I'm also just wondering if I can do this without getting in the moat, because that's not going to be particularly warm. Come on. Yes, right. Do we think that's a problem? I think that's probably the reason why it wasn't working, eh? Not that waterproof. Get off, go on. Be gone. Ha-ha! Some sort of success. Now I'll just sort of angle that in the correct way and get the other one done and tidy up some cables. I'm doing so well, I might get the other two fitted around the corner. All right. Yeah. And yep. Right. So I'm going to set a timer and come out and see what they look like, and then aim them in the right place when it gets properly dark. Okie dokie. Yeah. They're on, and they've just come on with the timer. Got a feeling I'm going to have to make the little hat thing, a shield to direct the light in the right place. So now, just looking forward to darkness. And merely minutes later, because this time of year, it's nothing but darkness immediately. Let's see what it looks like. And I'll come back and see from the inside as well. Okay, definitely going to need the little hat. The hat, I keep calling it a hat. Yeah, I need to angle them. Let's change the angle of the pedangle. However, that sort of ambient light going off that way, that's what I was after from the inside. I think this is what it looks like out the window. Yes. Yeah. That is... yes, what I wanted, I think. I'll have to have a... yeah, I appreciate it's sort of making the algae look like it's glowing radioactive, but we have something for that, that's fine. Yeah. Do you know what? Just enough around the bridge. Lights at the bridge, I'll sort out the... I like it. I want to see what it looks like when it's properly dark. Now it's only just sort of dusky. Okey-dokey. Properly pitch black now. Yeah. Just lighting up the bridge. That is just... yeah, that's... yeah. Just enough to see like the boat jetty, that sort of thing in the background. And I can see my way. Oh, there's some ducks. Oh, well, camera can't see the way. I can. I think this is a take my word for it type of thing. Yeah. Yep, that is a success, but I will need to put the shields on them. All right, it is a job well done, although it's not the job I wanted to do today. Other things got in the way, which is just the way life goes, I guess. You know, I can't really do anything about that. The bar was obviously more important than me getting some work done on my bedroom. However, that does mean it's double the amount of work I need to get done tomorrow. But as long as another job gets ticked off the list here, another thing that's outstanding, another thing getting some progress done each day, it doesn't matter. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.